Question they are stating Rajan exerts a force of 150 Newton. So firstly I'll suggest you to go with the given force is specified how much it is 150 Newton, right? Constant speed is given as like 10 meter per second. What is asked to you? Power. Hope that you all know that formula. This is the in a row, this is the third sum of kind of the similar one, right? So you'll state that power is equals to what? Force times speed. So force is given as 150, power is like sorry, speed is 10. So it will give you 1500. What is the unit of power? Watt. So power is given as 1500 watt. Hope that solution is clear to you all. If in case you have any doubt, you may reach to us. Thank you.